Hey, True, bet it up for the track. Go take it to the top, and that's the truth hurts. Oh yeah. If you broke with the still pimp and drink this smoke, you can say, oh yeah. If you're ballin' by your bottles insane, oh yeah, my man. If you're pimpin' your skirts and your ass is fat and say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till the fucking the night and say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All I can see, all the mamas put your thongs up and party with me. On the count of three, everybody claim where you're from. 1, 2, 3, the bottom. That's where I'm from, that's where I reside. That's what I represent till I die. Tuck your chains in, put your drinks down, and your sets off. Pitbull run straight small like a Lexus truck, mama, you got the next nut. Alright, pick a low in the VIP with 4 fingers in the air, hollering for life. I'm the chico that'll put it down for his people. Get my hands on any and everything, but I always keep my hands clean. Cause Miami's full of dirty money and dirty things. Oh yeah, if you broke but you're still pimpin', drinkin', smoking, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah. If you're ballin' by your bottles, then say, oh yeah, my man. If you're pimpin' your skirts and your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till the fucking the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I see mama who messes with nothing but big timers who loves to get her roll on, asking me if I could get my hands on some vitamin E, and I was like, mama, hold on. But she must have loved Pop, cause she was grabbing me, telling me, Poppy, picture me rolling. So I pictured it, and it would have been a sight for the blind to see. So I gave it to her for free. Oh yeah, if you broke but you're still pimpin', drinkin', smoking, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah. If you're ballin' by your